Hey gang, it's Erin and Lana and we're from Three Birds Renovations and we are here today because we're going to transform a bathroom with the new Dulux Renovation Range.
It's on a budget, so it needs to be under $5,000.
So it has to be unbelievable and unrecognisable.
Yes. For under 5K?
For under 5K.
Come on in. It's actually got beautiful natural light. It's big, it's spacious. So let's talk about what we're going to do. We're going to paint timber cabinetry and we'll replace these gold handles. We're going to keep the bench top as it is to have a little bit of that warmth. Paint the timber. We'll remove the mirror, put something new on there. We're going to paint all the wall tiles, including in the shower. We're going to paint around the bath using the Dulux Renovation Range. We're going to keep the gold spout and just change the taps.
We're going to be picking out the colours for the cabinetry and the tiles.
We want to create like a really kind of fresh vibe, you know, luxe with gold accents.
This is a sample of my tiles. This will pop and this is complementary.
It's really important when you're doing a makeover in a space, you've got to actually consider what is staying in that space. And in this space, the floors were stained, so we had to work with those floors. Okay, so then we go to the wall colour that's going to complement the mossa and also going to complement the travertine.
Yes.
What one are you thinking here?
I think that's a bit too grey.
I think
And
you're
I
right.
think that throws the yellow, and I think that's it.
And you just
right.
got 100%.
Woo!
Well done.
We're at stage one, preparation. So we've had the handyman come through, we've had things like the blinds taken down, the mirror behind taken off, the door handles come off. Once we're finished cleaning with the sugar soap, it will be time to do a light sand of all the surfaces, and then it is time to paint. Okay, we've done our cleaning, we've done our sanding, and now I've got our primer.
So we are about to paint the cabinets using the Renovation Range cabinet door paint. Okay, so this is the really exciting part where I'm going to paint the tiles. Painting tiles, a lot of people can be quite concerned with how durable the paint is, but this is a water-based paint specifically designed to go on these tiles. It's durable, you can tint it to 1,000 colours. And we've tinted it to buff it half. The fun bit with the roller straight onto the tile.
So ladies, the bathroom is done.
Yes.
It was pretty unrecognisable, but was it under budget?
It was! I'm so excited to
What was
say.
the final
I'm
number?
so proud of us.
What was the exact final number?
The exact number, 4,424.
So Ez, give us a breakdown of that budget. Where did we spend that money?
The biggest spend within the budget was on the tapware. The next biggest expense was the paint.
Yeah.
So we're looking at $1,100 to paint that space.
And Ez, do you think the paint was worth the $1,000?
100%.
Oh, yeah.
That's what the transformation was, the paint. I mean, I know the tapware's pretty and it's gold and all that kind of thing,
That
but
green.
the transformation is the green vanity and
The
walls.
tiles, the wall tiles.
Yeah.
Once we got that little roller going.
Yeah.
Gosh,
Gosh,
it
it
so
was
much
fun.
Okay guys, so I think we've shown you how you can transform a bathroom, DIY the paint, get the Dulux Renovation Range into your life, and seriously experience transforming your bathroom into a day spa.
You can. If Lana and I can do it, you guys can.